your crazy guy. Today I want to show you how to mount GoPro or ActionCam on your helmet. Okay guys, to do that we need a helmet. Mine is Forest G2500 SV, and look at it. And then our GoPro. Mine. Okay, now we need a ActionCam or a GoPro, and this is my ActionCam. It's 4K Ultra HD. You can connect with your apps with this, and this is the screen of this ActionCam. Hello, that's the cam. And this kind of mounts or the case for the ActionCam, and this bit I don't know what to say, this lock mechanism. Okay, first you take the ActionCam and you mount this thing. See it closely. Okay, you mount it. Okay, second, this mount. See this? Okay. Okay, now finally the last thing, this clip for your ActionCam. Hello, focus on. Okay, we need a model to present our brand or this thing. This is the model, by the way. He's Mr. Satia Dev.
Hello, my name is Satya.
Okay, blah. Okay, for this helmet I mount the clip here because this thing, this area is not flat or the perfect place to mount this thing. I place here and we see. Okay, now you can see the perfect chin mount for your helmet. Okay, for now, this is my chin mount for my helmet. I want to do some motor vlogging and things. And thanks to my co-partner, Satia Dev, for your help. And thank you. Bye-bye from Crazy Guy Ghost. And your name, sir? Yes, from Satia.